Okay, so I'm in a bit of a pickle right now. As you can see, I've been successfully sending post requests to my server here. I guess I can't go all the way back, but I've been trying to send put requests, and I've just been looking at examples of other people's code just to figure out what I'm doing wrong, just kind of see if there's anything to compare it to. However, I'm in this pickle because my whole terminal crashed on Chromebook, which is where I was accessing my repo, as well as using Visual Studio Code. However, they both are no longer functioning on this Chromebook for whatever reason because Linux is in beta. I don't even know what that is. Okay. Oh, that's screen record. Haha. But if I try to click on it, it just shows this loading. It won't open though. So everything that I had saved on here, on the desktop, that was created with the Linux launch or update or upload onto the system, is lost pretty much. So basically this Gumbo repo, which is connected to my app Gumbo, was connected to the deployment feature in Zate. And I guess because I've just had this reloading and deploying, I've exceeded the API deployments free per day, as you can see. So I have to try again in an hour. And I'm sure there's another service that's Wi-Fi. I'm sure there's another service. I'm currently in the middle of getting a new laptop because this is just ridiculous. I wouldn't have this problem if my terminal could open, if VSCode could actually open. Other than that, I'm also having just issues with sending the put request. This was one of the recipes that I found. And I want to only share the good recipes, right? Because that's what we're all about. We're about real food, good food. We're not just going to share with you any old recipe. That's our value proposition on this app. This looks good, you know? Anyway. This is the real deal issues. All right.